behind the HWA Evo.
And the Bugatti Chiron.
And the Bugatti Chiron. How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you what it's like to drive the Koenigsegg Jesko Attack from a first-person point of view. With a 5-liter twin-turbocharged V8, it makes 1,600 horsepower on E85 and 1,280 on 91. We're running on 102 octane right now, so it should make close to that 1,600. There are two different versions of the Jesko, the Absolute and the Attack. There's also the Sedair Spear. The Attack has the high downforce kit, making 3,000 pounds of downforce. It also has a much more aggressive front splitter. Let's go around to the front of the car. It hangs really far out of the nose with those crazy dive planes. Now let's hop inside. There's a little button hidden underneath here. Click that to open the dihedral synchro helix doors. And we're here with Omar. I can't wait for this. So the interior has some really cool features. I love the fact that the instrument cluster moves with the steering wheel, which is pretty awesome. And we've got a 9-speed, light-speed transmission. This thing goes through gears like no other car. About to take this out on the highway in Italy. I can't wait to see what this thing is like. In addition to the paddles, you can shift with this lever here. We've got a really cool 1 of 125 badge for the Jesko Attack. Backfires are awesome. Something I didn't realize is the turning indicators are mounted on the steering wheel, and there's a touchscreen button right below his right hand for the front lift. Man, this thing accelerates fast. And you were saying you like this more than the Absolute?
Personally, yes. I think both cars are very extreme.
Yeah.
But they're also both built for a different purpose. I really love the downforce and the cornering in this car.
Sure.
Suspension is a completely different suspension. This has a triplex suspension in the front and in the back, so that's completely different. It's stiffer. I prefer that on the daily.
It feels more hardcore than the Absolute, just from the passenger seat.
It is. But if you want to go in a straight line, the Absolute.
Of course. Although I would think maybe there's a certain speed where the Attack will get more downforce, so it'll get more traction, and maybe 60 miles an hour. How good is this car?
This is the best car in the world.
You think it's the best car?
Yes, it is.
Oh my God. Oh wow. This thing is so fast. So this is pretty cool. If we go over to the performance pages, we can see everything from power, boost, and torque. And then if we go to mode, we've got different driving modes: wet and snow mode, comfort, sport, and track. Favorite part of the car is?
I think the gearbox and the sound.
Yeah.
The matching gearbox, the thunder that is being unleashed, it's crazy.
It's pretty unbelievable.
Crazy beast. I love this car.
I love it too.
I can't even speak anymore when I'm talking about it. It's so insane.
So we've got an active rear wing. Look at that. When you hit the brakes, it tilts forward to act as an air brake. That is cool. Turbo blow-off sound is just insane. Here's something I've never seen before: Alcantara wrapped rear view mirror. That's pretty crazy, actually. Omar just showed me this feature. You can automatically have the windows raise once you're going fast. So if you're just driving around with the windows down and you start speeding, it puts the windows up for you. I guess you got to be going really fast.
We need to go fast.
Yeah, it does get pretty quiet. 8th gear, that's pretty crazy.
You can drive through the city without being noticed.
8th gear through a tunnel. It's criminal. So you were saying if you bump the lever forward, it goes to the lowest gear possible?
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Shortcut. Oh wow, that's cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was instant.
Yeah, it is.
That's impressive.
It's really impressive.
All the details in the interior are pretty insane. Look at the Koenigsegg crest on the air vents and the speaker system. Couple of things I find kind of funny about this car. It's a hypercar and there's 2 cup holders, which is awesome. And then look at this little storage container. I don't know what you put in here. It can barely fit your hand, but something. Look at that HWA Evo next to us. That thing is sick. And then behind, Chiron Super Sport. Alright, we're in the canyons now where the Jesko Attack really shines, behind the HWA Evo.
And the Bugatti Chiron.
And the Bugatti Chiron. What a convoy. Oh, you can tell it has so much grip. This thing is too fast. It's unbelievable.
It's crazy.
And there we are, pulling back into the hotel. Got to give a huge shout out to Esser Automotive and this guy Omar for making this possible. See you guys next video.